Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to enable Slack's ticketing system, your 2025 full guide to streamlining your customer support communication. To start, open your Slack workspace. Remember, you have to be an admin or owner to do this, so make sure you have the right permissions. The reason for this is to ensure that only authorized individuals can make such significant changes to the workspace settings. Next up, go to your workspace's Settings and Permissions page. This is where you can manage all the features and permissions for your workspace. It's like your workspace's control center, allowing you to customize it according to your needs. Now that we're there, let's look for the Apps section. This is where you can enable or disable various integrations, including the ticketing system. Slack allows integrations to enhance its functionality, making it a versatile tool for all your business needs. In the Apps section, locate and select the Manage Apps option. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're navigating to a page where you can add, remove, or manage the apps integrated with your workspace. Finally, look for the Ticketing System app. Click on it and then click Enable. The reason we do this is because enabling the app activates the ticketing system in your workspace, allowing you to track customer support tickets right from Slack. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled Slack's ticketing system. Now you can manage all your customer support tickets in one convenient place, saving you time and effort. Remember, the key here is to stay organized and use your new ticketing system to its fullest to streamline your customer support process. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks on managing your workspace. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.